Then John, who reached the tomb first, also went in, and he saw and believed. John shows us that faith in the resurrection of Jesus Christ our Savior demands an obedience to the authority of Peter. It demands communion, unity, and respect. Remember, John reached the tomb first, but Peter went into the tomb first. Jesus was about to die to gather into one the dispersed children of God. John 11:52. The resurrection of Jesus Christ makes us run. It makes run children, young men, old men. Each one of us run according to his energy. But this energy is for the service of communion, unity, obedience, and respect. By this, everyone will know that you are my disciples if you have love for one another. John 13:35.